Today, I'm diving into the 10-pack Seed Starter Kit, a must-have for anyone looking to kickstart their gardening journey. This kit comes with 10 trays, each containing 72 cells, perfect for nurturing a variety of plantlets from seeds to robust saplings. Made from durable, thick plastic, these trays are built to last, whether you're starting succulents, herbs, or even vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers. What I love most about these trays is their versatility. The 1.8-inch diameter cells are ideal for starting a wide range of plant species, ensuring each seedling gets the right amount of space and nutrition to thrive. Plus, the trays promote excellent root growth and aeration, which is crucial for transplanting without causing harm to delicate roots. One standout feature is their reusability. Unlike biodegradable alternatives, these trays can withstand multiple uses, making them a sustainable choice for eco-conscious gardeners. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, these trays make it easy to create a thriving garden. Right from the comfort of your home, I do recommend using a flat watering tray for bottom watering to prevent rapid drying out, especially if you're growing vegetables. This simple step can significantly improve seedling health and ensure a successful germination process. In conclusion, if you're serious about gardening and want a reliable seed starter kit that delivers results, look no further than the 10-pack Seed Starter Kit. It's durable, versatile, and designed to help you achieve your gardening goals with ease. Trust me, your plants will thank you for it. Title below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.